Yo, this is Kanye West playing Skullgirls on the PS4. I am the greatest artist ever. They say this game has pretty good artwork, so I said let's combine the great artist with the game with great artwork and let the greatness ensue. Quick match. I never played this game before. Kanye West doesn't play too many fighting games unless it's at E3 where I'm cutting people in line. You know when I'm at E3, I just push people out the way. That's how I roll. Don't get in the way of Yeezus. Like this game got some cool music, but it's no Kanye West track. Got some cool music, but this let's do 1, 2, 3 characters I could choose. I'll pick 2 characters so we can tag team. Big band. I'm gonna get this dude with the saxophone. You know I am the greatest musician ever, so I have to use the greatest musician in the fighting game ever. Oh, another character. Let's pick this person.
Let's go, Samson.
For no reason. I'm the Omen. This is Kanye West for JoystickDream.com. They're paying me millions of dollars. That's the only reason I'm playing this game. So I got my big saxophone man. He's gonna make some beats. Throwing fireballs. It looks like he's cheating right now because that's the only way that you could beat Kanye West in a video game. Yeah, he's clearly cheating right there. This game is broken. Oh, got him with the super move. You didn't know Kanye West had them super moves. He's clearly cheated there. That's the only way you can beat Kanye West. This is Joystick Dream Stream Kanye West. I'm gonna go be a douchebag and I'm out.